Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Spotify Duo plan step by step clearly. Open the Spotify app on your phone or go to Spotify.com on a computer. Make sure you are logged into the account that currently pays for the Duo plan. Tap the Home tab in the app or click your profile icon on the website. Go to Settings in the app or choose Account on the website menu. In your account page, find the section called Your Plan. Confirm that your current plan shows Premium Duo. Look for a button or link that says Change Plan. Scroll down until you see the available plans list. Find the option that says Cancel Premium or Switch to Spotify Free. Click Cancel Premium to begin the cancellation process. If Spotify asks you to log in again, enter your password and continue. Read the on-screen message about what happens after you cancel. Check the date shown for when your premium ends, because it usually stays active until the next billing date. Click Continue to cancel to move to the next screen. If Spotify offers a discounted deal or alternative plan, choose No Thanks if you still want to cancel. Select a reason for canceling if Spotify requires you to choose one. Click Continue again to confirm your choice. Look for the final confirmation button that says Yes, Cancel, or Cancel Premium. Click that final button to complete the cancellation. Wait for the confirmation page to load fully. Take a screenshot of the confirmation message for your records if you want. Go back to the account page and refresh it. Verify that your plan now shows Spotify Free or that it shows your premium end date. If you pay through Apple, open iPhone Settings. Tap your name. Tap Subscriptions. And cancel Spotify there. If you pay through Google Play, open Play Store. Go to Payments and Subscriptions. Then Subscriptions. And cancel Spotify there. If you pay through a mobile carrier or partner, open your Spotify account page and follow the partner cancellation link shown there. If the Duo members lose access immediately on their accounts, remind them premium remains until the end date and then changes to free. Check your email for a Spotify cancellation confirmation message to be sure it went through. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.